Hello everyone, this is Jyoti here and today I'm going to share a very important health information. Yes, along with L-arginine, the revolutionary product of Vestige. Yes. So recently I read in one newspaper in which it mentioned out of 5 youngsters, one is suffering from high BP. See how serious, isn't it? And along with high BP, there are so many heart related issues also people are facing right now. ठीक है, above I think 70% above Indian people are facing these issues. Why this is happening? So there is a reason behind it. The natural formation of nitric oxide which our cells generates, that that is not happening due to our sedentary lifestyle, like poor diet or no physical activity, along with what you call bad habits of smoking, alcohol, or any other previous diseases which people used to have. So due to these all things, the nitric oxide doesn't produce our cell. Because of that we faces these many issues. ठीक है. So now there is a good news. Yes, obviously you all know if there is a problem there is a solution as well. So we have a solution here, L-arginine. Yes, it's a chemical building block. It's called amino acid. Okay, which which we get from our food which we eat, but वो भी nutritious नहीं है, isn't it? जो कि प्रोड्यूस करता है प्रोटीन को हमारे बॉडी में. करेक्ट. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हमें लेना है L-arginine. वाई? बिकॉज इफ यू ड्रिंक L-arginine, ये क्या करता है, नेचुरली नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड को फॉर्म करता है. ओके, सो दैट इज़ वेरी गुड, जो हमारी बाकी जितने भी इश्यूज है उसको ठीक करने के लिए. सो यहाँ पे हमें सुपर जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स है वो एक बार हम देख लेते हैं. लाइक यस, वी हैव विटामिन B12, D3, vitamin K2, lycopene, folic acid, and vitamin B6, and along with beet juice, and yes, here pomegranate and grape seed extract also. So this is one of the best, I think. So यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इसको we'll just have it. So here we'll take one pouch. This contains full of pouches. Yes, and one pouch is for 1 glass of water. Warm water it's advisable because मैं warm water prefer करती हूँ because that gives अच्छा टेस्ट आता है. ओके, सो हियर आप इसको easily open कर सकते हो. Okay, so here I'm just entire pouch in 1 glass of water and mix it. Just mix it. You can see the color. Wow, it looks so delicious. The fragrance is also very good. So here I'm just having it. It tastes amazing, awesome, absolutely. It likes pomegranate and grape, that taste it's giving. So this you have to take it either evening or either morning. Okay, as convenient to you. And this gives you overall your blood circulation नॉर्मल हो जाता है. एंड अबव ऑल ये आपके ब्लड वेन्स को ओपन करता है सो दैट जो ब्लॉकेज है वो भी निकल जाए, प्रीवियस ब्लॉकेज भी निकल जाए. अलॉन्ग विद दैट ये आपके स्टेमिना को बढ़ाता है एंड एजिंग को रोकता है. ठीक है, आप यंग फील कर सकते हो. एंड अलॉन्ग विद इट्स लाइक one of the best for your overall sexual power also, स्टैमिना को बढ़ाता है. एंड देन ब्लड सर्कुलेशन के साथ साथ हार्ट रिलेटेड एनी इश्यूज इफ अगर हमें है उसको भी ये ठीक करता है. एंड देन एजिंग एज आई टोल्ड यू, ठीक है, उसके साथ साथ जो क्रोनिक डिसीजेस है उसको भी ये क्या करता है, उसके पेन को भी रिलीफ देता है, रिकवर करने में इट्स वेरी गुड. ओके, सो आई थिंक दिस ड्रिंक इज ओवरऑल हेल्थ के लिए इट इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट. So just grab your box nearest Vestige store or outlet, or you can go for online also. और अपने health का हमें ही ख्याल रखना है. Nobody else will come and take care of our own health. We have to take care. So just grab your glass of drink like as I am taking right now. And उसी के साथ साथ I must say अगर आप अपने दिल से करते हो प्यार तो Vestige L-arginine से कैसे करोगे इनकार. तो बिल्कुल भी इनकार नहीं करना है. be healthy, be fit, and of course, share with your friends, family, your team, and just have a good life. Thank you so much. Wish you wealth.